Hey everyone, my name is Josie Derrick with the Mathematics Department here at Boise State. In our last problem of the month, we explored a problem posted by NASA in 2017 relating to the 2017 eclipse. To tell us a little bit about what it's like to do math with NASA, I met with Steve Swanson. Steve is a colleague here at Boise State, but before that, he worked with NASA for 28 years, 11 of which was as an engineer and 17 was as an astronaut. What would be your number one tip to a high school student in Idaho who's interested in math and science?
Well, of course, it's great. You're interested in math and science. I think that's wonderful. I was too. I went down the same path. And it's just finding out what area that interests you most in the math and science area. It could be engineering, it could be science field, chemistry, physics, whatever it could be. But you got to find what that is that really interests you. And I think that's like the first goal to do. And then from there, you got to narrow down what do you actually want to do then when you find your field too. Because there's just so many opportunities in each field to do many different things from hands-on work to theoretical work to whatever you want to do. So the number of job opportunities out there is just tremendous.
What's been your experience using math in your career?
I use math over and over again, especially as an engineer at NASA. And I never thought I would actually use partial differential equations in a job setting, and I end up having to do that. So, but luckily, I didn't have to remember exactly how to do it. I had a book that would help me, remember, jog my memory, and get it done. And so, don't think you have to know everything all the time, and it's okay to, maybe not be perfect at it, but just understand the concepts. I think is a big thing is, what does like an integral mean? What does it mean to differentiate? Those kind of aspects, because that way you understand the process and you can always use a computer or whatever to solve the actual problem. But you have to understand what is going on, I think is the biggest thing to get out of it.
Okay, is there anything else that you'd like to share? Any final thoughts?
I think in the real world, really just math is a tool, right? You get a problem you have to solve or whatever your job is to do, but it's going to be usually to create a new product or solve this problem that something's not working well or whatever it is. And you're going to have to figure that out. And part of that is going to be math.
Well, awesome. Thanks so much. I really appreciate talking to you.
That's my pleasure. Good luck.